Good morning, mi gente. July 27 of 2023, and we are here in Munich. We had a great night last night, and we are getting ready to move on. From here on, I did not plan anything. So, all right, buenos días, mi gente. Estamos aquí en Munich, in this hotel called Fresh Bar, real good hotel, con a washer and dryer, que we needed it. La ropa estaba sucia, ahora olemos limpio. So, este es el ritual del día. 2 saddlebags, un cilindro que we brought to pasear porque we haven't used any of that. In one saddlebag we got everything that we need for camping, which this is the last trip I'm gonna do this. From now on, I'm gonna do hotels or whatever. But we packed so much stuff that I didn't need. Like, anyway, I'm not gonna say anymore. All right, so this is how we start every morning. Every morning we go through this. Usually we only take one and the one in the back because it's too heavy in the back. And then after that, we just get going. So I'll show you later on. I wipe the motorcycle. La abuela, buenos días, abuela. Buenos días, good morning. So I wipe it down every morning, make it clean. And then while she packs, I'll do that. So I'm talking too much and she's looking at me like, okay, let's do your part. La abuela is holding up pretty good. It's an excellent motorcycle, let me tell you. I'm very happy with la abuela. Oh, my thing for music and my Bluetooth for the motorcycle. And we're getting there. Bueno, mi gente, and this is it. Estamos ya limpios. Ay, olemos delicioso. Tenemos todo el gear puesto. Vamos para Austria, nuestro país número 23. Así que tenemos algo bonito. La abuela ya está empacada. Tenemos nuestro tiquete de salida. Siempre le pago parqueo por seguridad. Que en la calle aguanta frío y no hay necesidad de aguantar frío. Así que aquí estamos. Casco. Otra cosa importante que hicimos fue lavar las espumas. Por el sudor y todo. Olía feo. Los lavamos. Le echamos extra jabón, siempre llevamos agua a los lados por si acaso, alguna necesidad, pero gracias a Dios no tenemos necesidad de nada. Y bueno, ya nos vamos. Lo primero que hacemos es rezar. Rezar, damos gracias a Dios por el día de ayer y gracias por las bendiciones que recibimos el día de hoy. Así que síganos, vámonos.
A motorcycle trip from Munich, Germany to Saalbach-Hinterglemm, Austria is a fantastic journey through the Bavarian and Austrian Alps. Start in Munich, Germany. Head south on the A8 Autobahn toward Salzburg. Cross the German-Austrian border. Near Salzburg, you'll cross into Austria. Make sure you have a vignette toll sticker for Austrian highways, which you can purchase at gas stations near the border.
Bueno, mi gente, estamos aquí and we are going to Austria. They require something that is called a vignette. We were taking a Alpha 8 coming from Munich, going to Austria, where we're going. And it's like a little sticker you have to put on your motorcycle. All the cars require cars, motorcycles, campers, everybody needs it. And you go out onto this first gas station that you see, and it has a big sign that it says to buy it over here. What happens if you don't have it? I have no clue. So they sell it by duration of the days. We're only going to be here 2 days. The minimum is 5 days, and it cost me €5 for the bike. So we're going to stick it in. So we just go ahead. He says put it somewhere that is visible. So I guess that's what it means. 10 days vignette Alpha 23. And I'm going to keep this as a receipt. Pretty good information. I didn't know that I need it, but it's called a vignette. Now we're legal to go into Austria. Let's keep rolling.
Hey there, adventure seekers. Welcome to our journey through the breathtaking Austrian Alps, where we'll be exploring the picturesque landscape on 2 wheels. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a thrilling ride that will leave you spellbound. The Austrian Alps are a stunning natural wonder with their towering peaks, lush valleys, and winding roads. Our motorcycle tour will take us through the heart of this magnificent region, where we'll experience the thrill of the open road and the serenity of the wilderness.
Primera parada en los Alpes de Austria, el camino de Grossglockner.
Hey there, adventure seekers. Today, we're going to take a thrilling ride on the Grossglockner High Alpine Road, one of the most breathtaking motorcycle routes in the world. The Grossglockner High Alpine Road is a 48-kilometer long stretch of road that winds its way through the heart of the Alps, offering breathtaking views of the Austrian Alps. This road is a must-ride for any motorcycle enthusiast, as it provides a unique blend of stunning scenery, challenging curves, and adrenaline-pumping thrills. As we embark on this journey, we'll be greeted by the towering Grossglockner, Austria's highest mountain. This road is known for its 36 hairpin turns, which provide a thrilling ride as we navigate the twists and turns. The road is also known for its stunning vistas, including the Pasteurs Glacier, the largest glacier in the Eastern Alps. So, buckle up and get ready for an unforgettable ride. The Grossglockner High Alpine Road is a journey that will take your breath away.
All right, Miss Lina Perez is getting ready to go. Vamos, Lina. ¿Hasta dónde vas a el castillo? Dale pues. Nada de nervio, ¿no? Hágale pues. Suave, suave, suave. All right, so here we are. We are at Glockner Blick with about 2,400 and something meters. Lina, good job driving. Yeah, aplauso para Lina. I'm glad we decided to come over here to Austria. All right, so we reached the highest point right here in Austria. 2,571 meters. It's called Edelweiss Pixet, and we are so happy to be here. Let me tell you, this change of plans was amazing. Anywhere you look is just an amazing view. We're gonna go down this way again.
We're going to dive into the breathtaking Grossglockner High Alpine Road, a must-see destination for any adventure seeker. The Grossglockner High Alpine Road is a scenic route that stretches across the Austrian Alps, winding its way through the Hohe Tauern National Park. This road is not for the faint of heart, as it boasts some of the most stunning views in the world, but also some of the most challenging driving conditions. The Grossglockner High Alpine Road is the highest mountain road in Austria, reaching an altitude of 2,504 meters above sea level. It's a 48-kilometer stretch of road that takes you through 36 hairpin bends, 365 curves, and 10 tunnels. This road is not for the inexperienced, as it requires a high level of skill and caution to navigate. The road is open from mid-May to late October, and it's essential to check the weather conditions before embarking on this journey. The road can be closed due to snowfall, avalanches, or other weather-related issues. The Grossglockner High Alpine Road is a popular destination for motorcyclists, as well as car enthusiasts. It's a must-see for any road trip through Austria, and it's a great way to experience the natural beauty of the Alps. Along the way, you'll find several stops where you can take a break, stretch your legs, and enjoy the stunning views. One of the most popular stops is the Kaiser Franz Josef He, where you can learn about the history of the area and take in the breathtaking views of the Grossglockner, Austria's highest mountain. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even hike to the summit of the Grossglockner, which stands at 398 meters above sea level. This is a challenging hike.
Bueno, mi gente, y la verdad que esta ruta está impresionante. El nombre se lo voy a dejar aquí porque no lo recuerdo. But it's amazing. A lot of beautiful sights. we've been on this road for bastante tiempo. Y miren lo que encontramos aquí. Lina, un saludo a todos los seguidores.
Suscríbase al canal, por favor, no les cuesta nada. Solamente suscribirse, activar la campanita y no más.
Eso, bravo desde aquí. Esta tarde son como las 8 de la noche.
Sí.
8 de la noche.
7 de la noche.
8 y 7 de la noche. Estamos viendo aquí. Toda esta agua viene de toda esa nieve que se derrite. Pero miren esta vista. Vamos a ir hasta el final de la ruta. Alright, we are right here at this point. And if I stay a little longer, we can see the moon rotating. It's either that or the earth is rotating. Check it out. Wow.
So there you have it, folks. The Grossglockner High Alpine Road is a must-see destination for any adventure seeker. If you're planning a trip to Austria, be sure to add this road to your itinerary.
Bueno, mi gente, and we are at the end of the road, and this used to be a glacier, which is this, and it has become like this. But global warming, this is it. We were going to turn around. Lina says, okay, let's keep going, and I said, okay. So here we are. What a great decision we have made to be here for sunset. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Great.
Good?
How about you?
Good.
Awesome.
Look at this weather,
Beautiful.
right?
A little bit cold, but beautiful.
As long as it doesn't rain, we're good.
Okay.
You guys work here? You work here? Oh, are you from here though?
We live close to here.
Oh, nice.
30 minutes.
Would you like to be part of my video? I have a YouTube channel, and I mean we're traveling all around the world on my motorcycle.
Are you?
Huh?
From where are you?
From the U.S. We originate from Colombia. Can I have you on my video though?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
If you tell
Cool.
me what your channel name is.
I give you the name of the channel. Of course I will.
That would be
What is your name?
Sonja.
Sonia and
Marit. Marit.
Maggot
Without the G.
without the G. So Maggot.
Marit.
Oh, Marit without the G. Okay.
Yeah.
So what do you have to say to the people that watch the channel and say, hey, come to Austria?
Austria is great. Come here. We have very cute animals, great mountains, and cool roads for the bikes, obviously.
There you go.
My English is not so good.
So say it in your what do you want to speak here? Dutch or what language? Austrian. German. It's German.
It's a dialect.
Okay, so go ahead. In your language, just say it. Say something nice.
Willkommen auf der Glocknerstraße. Im Hintergrund der höchste Berg von Österreich, der Grossglockner.
That's the name of the ride. That's the name of the ride. What was the name again?
Grossglockner.
I've been trying to say that I haven't been able to.
Okay.
Okay, one more time.
Grossglockner.
Call clubs near.
Groß.
Goes. No.
Yeah.
Groß.
Okay.
Groß.
Goes.
Yeah.
Clock
Glockner.
near.
Yeah, that's good.
Clock near.
Groß.
Goes.
Groß.
Goes. Clock
Glockner.
near. Goes. Clock near.
Yeah, that was good.
I did it! Alright, so we are here and global warming. This is what global warming is going around. It's not only happening here in Austria, but it's happening to different places around the world. But this one right here, she was telling us that this used to be all the way out there. Now it's cold like crazy right now, and she's getting ready to do a jumping around the world. So we ready?
Sure.
Ready. So hands up. 1, 2, 3, go. One more time. 1, 2, 3, go. All right. So jumping around the world without the G, Mari. Yes. I got it. I finally got it. All right. So she's gonna say goodbye. in all the languages that you speak. We're gonna start.
Oh,
Just say something, a little bit about something like whatever. I don't know what it is. So I tell them, hey, it was nice, jumping around the world, or whatever you want to say. First one, English.
Hi, it's great.
All right. Second, German.
German. Hallo, schön ist es da. Ihr macht es toll. Wunderschönen Tag euch.
Norwegian.
Do I say bye or do I say hi?
Whatever you want to say.
Hi, guten Abend.
French.
Salut, ça va?
Salut, ça va. Latin. Spanish.
Hola.
Hola.
Sorry.
Hey, that was good. What else? I'm missing one.
Latin, I can do salve.
There you go.
But that's it.
All right. So from here, we're gonna let them go. Thank you very much. It was very nice.
It was a pleasure.
All right. So thank you.